Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the hairs like this on the back and then tie them by dividing them. Now rotate it. After that, take the hairs from the sides and make the plaits like this. Now fix it on the back and then rotate it and fix it on the back like this inside the hairs. Now fix them and it's ready. Now tie the hairs on the top and then make the plaits on it like this. Pull out the hairs from the one side, fold it upward and roll it and make the flower. Now divide the hairs into small sections and make the plaits. Fix them one by one on the right and left side like this, like joining in the same section, and fix them together and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and make the plaits by taking the hairs from the sides in the small sections, join them in the middle like this. Follow the same step for the other side, join the hairs one by one. Now fix them together at the back, tie them like this. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back. Now take the hairs like this and make the plaits on it. Now after making the plaits, we will rotate the hairs upward like this as shown in the video. Fold it and fix the hairs in the between of it like this. Now pull the plaited hairs and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs and tie the ponytail. Now divide the hairs into two parts. Make the plaits on the upper part of the hairs like this. Now rotate it. Now divide the hairs again into two parts and make the plaits on them. Now pull out the hairs from the sides like this as shown in the video. Now we will join them together, all the hairs like this. Fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now again take the hairs from the sides and then rotate it like this. Now tie the hairs together and make the heart-like shape. Fix the hairs like this, rotate them one by one. Keep rotating the hairs and fix it. Make the plaits at the end and fold it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it one by one like this. Join them together. Now again take the hairs like this, rotate it and fix them. Make the heart-like shape on the hairs till the end like this and fix the hairs in the similar manner and it's ready. Next, take the hairs and make a ponytail. Divide the hairs from the between and then rotate it. Now after rotating it, fold it upward and make a bun. Now again tie the hairs from the between and then rotate it and then fix it over the bun like this. Spread the rest of the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and make the plaits on it like this. Take the hairs from the other side as well, fix it on the back. Now take another section of the hairs from the back, rotate it and fix them one by one like this. Keep rotating the hairs. Now join the hairs from the sides and tie it on the back and fix it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs on the upper side and tie half of the hairs. Divide it from the between after dividing it and then rotate it like this. Now fix them into each other and then fix it on the top like this. Fix the hairs using the rubber band and tie them like this. After tying it, fix the hairs properly and it's ready. Next, make a high ponytail, divide the hairs into two parts and then divide it from the between and then rotate it. After dividing the hairs, we will fix the hairs into each other and then make a bow on the top like this. Now tie the hairs together and then divide it again and then fold it like this using the hairstyling tool and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back. Now again take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then fix them into each other. Now fix them into each other and put the hairpin and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides or just tie half of the hairs on the back and then fix it in the half like this. After fixing the hairs, put it like this, clutch it carefully. Thanks for watching our video.